Hi everyone, in this short video I will show you how to insert a building into a 3D terrain in Archicad. If you don't know where to download the 3D terrain file I use in this demo, just go to TopoExport.com. You can easily get your 3D terrain data and the link is in the description. Let's get started. First go to the 3D view, select the building elements and go to Edit, Group. Next, select your terrain mesh, then go to Design, Solid Element Operations. As you can see, the terrain is already selected as a target. Now click on the building, then click Add as Operator. Choose Subtraction with Upward Extrusion and click Execute. Now you can select your building and drag it vertically into the terrain. As you can see, the building now cuts perfectly the slope. To visualize it better, I will create a section cut. As you can see, the building is nicely inserted into the slope terrain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.